Are you planning to design, decorate, or remodel your home space? Or are you just bored with the same old carpet or piece of furniture? Being an army officer's daughter and watching my mother regularly redoing our home space made me appreciate the ambience of our home. In today's times, one can bring augmented reality to the comfort of our homes. What this means is that you can try before you buy and try in real time. Who could think that remodeling or redesigning your home could be as easy as the click of a few buttons? Welcome to episode 5, Renovation Matters. So this is the Houzz app which I have downloaded from the Play Store. Now we got this raw flat, and as soon as we got this, without wasting much time, went into the app and clicked on the products option, and as predicted, there are categories for everything in the house, whether it's furniture, lighting, kitchen, dining, bath, home decor, outdoor, indoor, everything, you name it. So if I go into the furnitures, then again in furniture there are categories: storage, home, office, even entry, outdoor furniture, everything. So I went into all furniture and there were some pieces which I like. Let's say I like this one. So what do I do with it? I just click save. And it goes and gets saved in what they call as an Ideabook. Go back and look at any other things which you like. I like this studio and I have saved it. It's saving in the Ideabook. Now what is this Ideabook? If I click on the Ideabook option, it's going to show me all my saved collections. So it just makes it more organized. Now what do I do with these saved collections? Of course I'm going to use them later. I like them, that's my opinion, but 2 opinions are better than 1. So I want to seek opinion of the other members of the family. So I can just click on the 3 dots and there you go. Share your Ideabook using WhatsApp, using mail or whatever. And there is an option to comment on the Ideabook. So the members can comment on the same option and you can make a decision. So we can just pick up any picture from the gallery. Now this was our raw flat. So we went on the products and looked at furniture. We saw how would that furniture look with our flooring, with our wall. Picked up a chair, another sofa. So many pieces of furniture. Kept visualizing it. That's nice, but does it match the flooring? Maybe. Yeah, I like that sofa. Looks good in the room. Yeah, I seem to especially like this white chair. Let's try another one. Yeah, how about this chair? Not so nice. Yeah, this one looks better. So I want 2 of these, so I just copy and flip these chairs. How about something for the wall? And the chandelier. Yeah, I want mirrors. Let's look for mirrors. Let's see, that wall or maybe the other wall. Yeah, that looks nice. So let's save it. I like this setting. Save it. It's not just setting, it's also now with measurement. So we can actually measure with scale every piece with respect to the room. So we know exactly how it looks. So let's save this. And now these are all the saved collections. Look at that. This is another arrangement. So many arrangements. to choose from. Just makes things so much more easier. There's also, another way by which you can tell how each product is going to look in real time. So like if there's a sofa, you can actually go to the drawing room and place it in its place on the carpet and get a real view. Now if there are two chandeliers, I want to compare two chandeliers and make a decision which one to buy. Pick up the chandelier you like, go to your room, place it there in real time using augmented reality. That looks nice. So we select the other one. Yeah, this one. Let's just place it next to each other. The app does everything for you. You just make a selection and place the two chandeliers in the correct location and you make an informed choice. Back to the home page. What else is there? Just click on the photos option. It's really interesting. There are options, there are photographs of rooms, of styles. The styles are Indian, contemporary, modern, eclectic, American, Asian, all kinds of styles. There are rooms, So these photos are just there to give you inspiration, and then, you can create your own creation from these. You can either just adapt to these or you can create your own by editing what's already there. So I've picked up a kitchen and I'm just going to for now save it and let it be in my Ideabook. Click on edit, and if you want to pick up a piece of furniture and place it in the same thing, maybe this lighting. So I have taken inspiration from the existing database and I have redesigned and created my own kitchen with a little bit of a difference. What else? Back to home page. Click on pros. Just click on the location wherever you are. So it's showing my location. I click apply and there is a database of architects and interior decorators who can easily be contacted, who are all in my location. So this is how you can use this app to visualize all the possibilities to fantasize your home space and then turn that fantasy into reality. Do remember to subscribe and stay tuned for next week's episode, in which we will review these apps that have facilitated learning during lockdown. So see you soon.